If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where we are solving previous year Tripura University first semester question on diploma engineering. So today we will be solving question number 1 and 2, two questions. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. So if you see question number 1, what is asking here, if L and L dash are the length of two tangents of any focal chord. So you know what is focal chord? A chord which passes through the focus of a parabola. Suppose this is my parabola. They have not given you parabola, you can take from your own. So this is a parabola and this is a focal chord passing through this. L and L dash are the length of two segments of any focal chord of the parabola. It has a segments, means this is a segment, this is a segment that it crosses in the focus, that is known as a segment. This total is the one segment, the length of the chord. It has two segments, first part, this length is L, suppose this length is L dash. So that's what they are asking. Now this focal chord I have not given in your basic level, I have given in intermediate level. You check the theory if you have not checked the theory for intermediate level. A condition for focal chord, that is T1 T2 equal to -1 using parametric form, which is easy. For finding parabola, if you apply parametric form, it is easy. But for now here I am solving it from the sketch so that you understand it how it came. So because in the exam you cannot write directly T1 T2 equal to -1. So let your P is the coordinate of P. So I am taking parametric coordinate. So you know how to take parametric coordinate. You can check this one for parabola in the intermediate level theory. So if I take a T1 square, my x coordinate here, if you put it a T1 square, then what will be y? Y will be 2a T1. And let q is equal to, it is another number, a T2 square comma 2a T2. So if you know PQ, then what will be the equation of PQ? 2-point formula, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1, 2a, this minus this one, t2 minus t1 divided by, if you take a t2 square minus t1 square into x minus a t1 square. So a would get cancelled and then a minus b, a plus b, you can do it. So if you do it, finally it will be 1 by t2 plus t1 x a t1 square. Now this equation 1, that is the equation of PQ line. What equation doing? Of PQ line, this equation you are writing of this line. Now this line has to pass through focus F0. So 1 passes through F0, passes through A0, that is your F point focus. So if you put A0, it should satisfy. So if you put it, so it will be 2 is there, sorry. So minus a 2 minus a. So finally you will get this. So 2a get cancelled. So if you do it, it is minus t1 t2 minus t1 square is equal to 1 minus t1 square, which is get cancelled. So this we have already proved in t2 t1 is equal to t1 t2 is equal to -1. This condition already for JEE we can directly apply this condition because we know this one. Okay. Now what is the idea? So now you know this one. So you have to find this length only. So this point you have considered. So your P will be, what will be your P? P will be equal to a t1 square comma 2a t1, and what will be Q now? Because your t2 will be equal to -1 by t, -1 by t1. So instead of t2 you can put it there. So this also you can directly write in, so divided by t1. In place of t2 I am putting -1 by t1. So this is the coordinate. So this one also we have directly given in the theory of that intermediate level. So we can directly apply that one for JEE also. But it is a subjective question, you have to answer it, so you have to write it. So what is L? L is equal to PF, the distance between these two. So if we apply this one, distance between these two, a t1 square minus a whole square plus 2a t1 minus 0 whole square. So if you expand it, if you take a common, you will get it something of this one, t1 minus 1, t1 square minus 1 whole square plus 4 t1 square. So what is this? A minus b whole square plus 4ab is a plus b whole square. Then under root it will be only a plus b. You can expand and check it out. So L dash equal to, let the lower portion is L dash QF. So this will be a by t1 square minus a whole square, then minus 2a by t1 minus 0 whole square. From here also if you take a common, it will be of this fashion, 1 by t1 square minus 1 whole square plus 4 by t1 square. So this is again same, a minus b whole square, this is a, then 4ab, this is a, this is b. So it is a plus b whole square. So here also you will get it something of this fashion. So So now what they ask to find? 1 by L plus 1 by L dash. So 1 by L, that is your left hand side, plus 1 by L dash is equal to, so 1 by A into T1 square plus 1, then 1 by A into 1 by T1 square plus 1. So if you take T1 square upside, then it will be 1 by A. 1 by A you can take common, and it will be 1 by T1 square plus 1, and then plus T1 square by 1 plus T1 square. So if you take 1 plus T1 square as an LCM, so 1 plus T1 square, 1 plus T1 square, it will get cancelled, that is 1 by A, which is 4. Now if you come to question number 2, what they are asking here, they find the equation of the parabola whose coordinates of the vertex of focus are given these. So if you draw this one, let me get the idea where the parabola is, because it is not a standard parabola. You can see the focus it has -1, 3. So if you take -1 and then 3 here, 1, 2, 3. So this is your focus. This is your vertex V. Okay, this point. And then focus is equal to 3, -1. 1, 2, 3, -1. So this is your focus. So you know, if this is vertex, this is focus, you can see this is our parabola, this is vertex, this is focus, this becomes axis. So if you join these two, this and this becomes your axis. So parabola is of this fashion. This is its focus, F. This is its vertex. So you can see it is not a standard parabola. We have not studied this one. So what is the basic idea, and what will be directrix? Directrix will be somewhere here. Whatever the length here, distance, same distance it will go there. So this will be the directrix. So once you know if you know directrix, if you know a point, focus, then how to find the parabola equation, you can see how we have derived the equation of the parabola. We will take any point x, y, and so what is the condition to make it parabola? This length and this length will be equal. The perpendicular distance between directrix and the distance up to focus should be equal. So you need to find the equation of directrix. That is the idea. Once you know equation, then you can find this distance in terms of x and y. This distance anytime you can find because it is given. So for finding directrix, one thing you can do, suppose this is V, this is f. So you can find the slope of BF. From that you can find the slope of this directrix. Because this is 90 degrees, so the directrix will be perpendicular to this. You can find it using M1, M2. So this line slope you got by finding the slope of this one and using the perpendicular condition. Now one thing another thing, you need a point. So you need to find this point, because if you know a point and then if you know a slope, you can find the equation of the line. So how to find this point? So using again what you can use. So let me write the find slope of BF. What is the slope of BF? What is the B? This is given -1, 3. Y minus y1, then -1, -3. So it is -1. That is the slope. Therefore slope of directrix will be how much? Because directrix is perpendicular, so -1 into M2 should be equal to -1. M1, M2 should be equal. So directrix of this one is equal to M2. That is the slope of directrix. So once you know slope of BF, so the angle that is making this one, suppose this is theta. What is the theta? For what angle it is -1? Because slope means tan theta. So what tan theta will give you -1? So it is in second quadrant and you need -1. So it is 45. So from here if you look, 180 minus 45. So what is the angle theta? Theta is 135 degree. Why I am calculating theta? Because you need to find this point. How will go this point? Using symmetrical form of the straight line. If I want to find a point which is at a distance, suppose a 5 unit distance from this, in this line. So x minus x1 by cos theta, that was very useful. I told you to find a point in the straight line at some fixed distance from a point. This point is given, you need to find a point which is 2 unit from this or 10 unit from this. So you apply this one. So how much unit is this one? So this length and this length are equal. It is parabola. The distance between vertex and focus and vertex and directrix should be equal. This one we have studied in parabola properties. So length of BF. So what will be the BF length? This minus this, 3 minus -1 whole square, then -1 minus 3 whole square. Then it is 4 root 2. So you need to find a point which is at a distance of 4 root 2 from the point V. Suppose the point coordinate of the point is P, and I have given suppose x1, y1. I need to find this point x1. So what was the formula? So this is my x1. I need to find this point using this point. So it was x minus x1. For me this is x. I need to go to new value. This minus from this point I want to go, divided by cos theta, cos 135 is equal to y1 minus this one 3 divided by sin 135 should be equal to, either it is plus r or minus r, you are moving up. From this you are moving up. From the drawing itself you are moving up. So up means it is plus 4 root 2. So now if we apply this one by 1, so your x1 will be equal to minus 1 because it will be plus 1. Then 4 root 2 cos 135. So cos 135 will be give you minus half, minus 1 by root 2. Should I write it? 1, 4 root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So root cancel, you will get minus 5. Similarly y1 will give you 3 plus 4 root 2 sin 135. What is sin 135 is 1 by root 2. So 4 plus 3 it is 7. So you got the coordinate, that is your p coordinate is equal to, therefore p is equal to, or you can write p is equal to minus 5 comma 7. Now once you know p, you can write the equation of the directrix. Therefore the equation of directrix, how I can write, because I know the slope and point. A point I know of this directrix, and there the slope is also I know. Slope is 1. So it was y minus y1, that is 7, is equal to m is 1, x minus x1, that is plus 5. So your equation will become x minus y. If I take that side, then it is minus 2 is equal to 0, plus 12. X minus y, then minus 7 if it goes there, so that is the equation, that is x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. Please check all these calculations. If you find anything, you put it in the comment box. Okay, so the equation of parabola, what is the equation of parabola? How we will find the equation of parabola? The distance from the focus and the distance from the directrix should be equal. What is the distance from the focus? We will write it in this way. PF is equal to perpendicular distance from directrix. Perpendicular distance of P from directrix. So what is PF? It is x minus 3 whole square into y plus 1 whole square. I am writing, not giving root, I will take square both sides. And what is the perpendicular distance? P is xy. So how to write the perpendicular distance? So you put the point in the equation. If you put xy in the xy, so it will remain xy plus 12 divided by under root 1 square plus 1 square whole square, because I have removed that square. So it will open it, it will be x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 2y plus 1, and it will be lower portion, it will be 2 because it is square, and it is a plus b plus c whole square. So x square a square plus b square plus c square 2ab, so it will be minus 2xy, then 2bc minus 24y, then plus 24x. So if you take product here, so it will be 2x square plus 2y square minus 12x plus 4y plus 20 is equal to whatever it is. So if you side change it, if you bring it this one, so x square plus y square 1 and 12 minus 2xy plus 2xy, it will become 12x, 24x will also come, so minus 36x, and 24y also come plus 28y, 144 will come minus 124 equal to 0. So this should be the answer, if my calculation is correct. Kindly check. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.